Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in once again. I hope you have enjoyed my other videos and I hope you continue watching. Today in Coco's kitchen we are making something really simple. We're making chocolate covered fruit. So I've got some strawberries and some dried apricots. You can use whatever fruit you like. I like to use these because these are my favorite. However, I have done it before with raspberries, blueberries, sort of any sort of fruit, even nuts as well. So we'll get started. Alright, so already I have washed the strawberries. I have some really good quality dark chocolate over here and some really good quality milk chocolate, some crushed peanuts and some dried apricots. Also, I have over here some skewers which make it easier to put the strawberries on and dip them in. So first of all, I have boiled the water. So we would grab your boiling water, tip that into your pot. And turn on the heat. Then place your bowl on top. And what we're going to do first is grab the dark chocolate. So just grab the dark chocolate. Just add a little bit at a time. Get your spatula. You can turn down your heat just a little bit because the bowl is really hot. And you start to add your other chocolate, just a little bit by little bit. Ooh. See, that's starting to melt down. Like so. Mixing it like so that it melts down all of the chocolate. You can really see how beautiful and glossy this chocolate is. That's why good quality chocolate always helps. Okay, once that is all done, what you're going to do is you're going to grab a cup. I will bring you just over here. Trying to do this back to front is a little bit difficult. Just brush that on there for a sec. And if you can, try and pour it into a cup. It'll just make it a whole lot easier to dip the strawberries in. Just in case you do need this, leave this on top of here so it doesn't get too firm. Alright, we've washed our strawberries. Really simple. You get a skewer, like so. And you just dip the strawberry in. Now to the left of me, I already have some baking paper. I will bring it over here. This is what happens if you don't 100% have everything organized. Okay. You guys can see that there, sorry. So just grab your strawberries like so. And dip it in. If you can see that there. And then just take them off like that. And then with your dried apricot, if you can, just put that down there for a second. You just sort of grab stuck together. Just dip it in on the half, let it drip for a second, like that. Really, really simple. Obviously be careful not to spill anything, too much everywhere, but that's why you put the paper down so it doesn't get stuck. These are all for me. This is a little bit messier than doing the strawberries. And of course, it's going everywhere. The bigger ones are easier to do if you just do half. And once we'll get the strawberries again. And just dip it in there like so. And once you've done a few of the strawberries, if you like, you can put some of the nuts on there. So we're just going to get this one right in there. Ooh. I'll just do one more of these and then we'll start with the milk chocolate. Careful you don't get leaf in there, it's okay. Alright, so once you've done those, you can grab some of the nuts and you can either tip it over the dried apricots like that. We'll just do 3. Or you could tip it over the strawberries. So make sure that you do it when it's still wet so that it sticks. Like so. And there we have it. I will show you what we're doing with the other bits. Be careful because it is quite hot and these bowls do get quite warm. And usually that other chocolate helps the other chocolate to melt. Like that. Grab your strawberry, dip it in the chocolate, pull it out, same thing again. Oh yes, I'm gonna get a really big one. This is gonna be mine. I don't like dark chocolate too much, so. Make sure I get this one really covered because this one's for me. Right, and then the same again with the dried apricots. These are really funny shaped apricots. You can try and get like bigger, flatter ones so that they're easier to dip. So just repeat that like so. And then you can also get a couple of nuts and put on these ones just for presentation. And then also what I do is I get some of the dark chocolate that I had already. You can sort of like drizzle it on. It's a bit messy, but, and just repeat like so, and I will show you the end result. Here are all the chocolate covered strawberries and apricots, looking absolutely delicious. So what I did was I just placed them in the fridge to harden up, then took them out and put them on a plate. You can also dress them in patty pans if you like, and make them look lovely. But I'm about to eat these. That's a wrap, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed making these just as much as I did. However, the cleanup is not exactly gonna be that fun with all of that chocolate. I didn't even get to lick the spoon. But I don't know about you. I think I'm just gonna go enjoy these. So bye.